ang inaabangan na main event sa pagitan ng Caloocan laban sa Muntinlupa. Kahit preseason nagkakapisikalan ng matindi. Ang debut game bilang batang kangkalu ni Rob Celis, ang tindi ng mga ginawang galaw sa ilalim.
Nice
Ang
pass.
ganda ng pasahan!
Nice
Rob
pass.
Celis getting himself free. Celis umikot.
Oh,
Layup
my.
is good!
At ang inaabangan na debut game ng former Green Archer na si Kian Baclaan. Ang bangis ng mga pasa at nag-showtime na hype ang crowd sa arena sa kanya. Tara at panuodin ang full game highlights mga ka-big time.
Sabi nga niya sa akin in that point position, sabi niya in his words, hihiram na lang ako sa kalaban. Mukhang
Down to a dozen.
Oh!
Baclaan!
Step back and kiss myself. Big time plays make big time plays.
Man, Choco Tayongtong, Jello Razon, June Bonsumre, Jeremy Cabanag, and Rob Celis. Kasama nila Robbie Celis and Jello Razon.
Oh,
Tayongtong. What a pass. Razon is free for a free
What a
bucket.
what a shot by Jello Razon. And really just a good feed by Joko Toyontong. If there is one guard, in my opinion, as you see that move right there,
In traffic yun
Oh,
from
by-
Asia Miranda. Nasa Muntinlupa pa rin ang possession. Umikot si Miranda. 3 seconds left on their shot
nice
clock.
ball movement.
Evangelista, a second remaining. Drills in that three from the left corner. Sa poste, Robbie Celis. Laban kay Miggy Corteza. Celis, umihit sa loob. Lays it up and in.
When you look at the triangle offense, the ones that's been adjusting as the game progresses.
Corteza,
Nice fake.
shot fake. Floater is up and in.
Yan yung mga tinuturo ni Coach Vincent.
Celis onto the front court. Kick out pass, Jeremy Cabanag.
Nice
Ang ganda ng
pass.
pasahan! Nalibre si Robbie Celis for 2 more.
And right now, in that instance, you're seeing that on the floor.
Woo!
And Gama once again with a 3.
Dalawang tres na yan.
2 from beyond the arc.
The crowd darling here in Caloocan. Kian Baclaan. Kian, sidestep. No good. Kamson inside, gobbling
Oh,
up the offensive board. Getting that hook. Napunta ka na bang Siargao, Coach Mike?
Hindi pa eh.
MJ, all the way from Siargao, knocks down a...
Maybe, so to speak, early in this game, but he's doing well on that 3 attempt. Offensive foul.
Tolentino drawing the charge.
He's so good at doing that.
Yeah, Prince Casin, kakapasok lang para sa Caloocan. Sa loob
wow.
ng Araro, si Romel Calahat, basket. Baclaan. Pasok sa loob, pasa, papuntay Calahat. Gets the friendly bounce on the reverse.
As long as Kalahat stays active on his feet inside the paint, and they've got really good guards in Razon, very unselfish guards, that ball is gonna find it. You see this right here. Went the opposite side, tried to curl under against that defense.
I think one of our courtside reporters reported that one. As Belenchon for Caloocan. Baclaan on the right side, guarded by MJ, deliver hit. Kamson facing up, now backing down. Miggy Corteza, fadeaway J by Kamson is pure.
So far, Eric Kamson has done it to look for that roller on the other end.
Miggy Corteza, one-hander again. Kian on the right side, behind the back dribble, now posting up MJ Delaverhen. Skip pass
That's the
to
shot.
Jeremy Cabanag for the lead, no good. Kamson with offensive rebound. Matias underneath. Doesn't get the friendly roll. He grabs his own miss. What a pass!
Wow.
Kamson, the cut and the finish.
Well, that's the energy that this crowd needs to see.
He's away with it.
There
Jello
you go.
Razon for free. Wala pa din. Kamson sa loob. Razon inside! 2 points plus the foul.
And this is the energy and the effort from Caloocan. Second consecutive possessions, nakita mo talagang tumatrabaho sa offensive rebounding. Ang halos lahat ng Caloocan player on the floor. But just right there with a beautiful
Point guard. As of today, Coach Mike Astayongtong, Palencia, Barcuma, Bitoon, Razon, and Baclaan. Sabi nga niya sa akin in that point position, sabi niya in his words, hihiram na lang ako ng bola sa kalaban. Mukhang magkukulang ang isa eh. Ken, Coach Mike.
Nakita mo yung galaw na yun, Mika? Pinag-basket.
And this is where he's good at. Creating a beat defender, had him on his hips, got past Felix Apreco.
Just 1 of 3 at the line, however. But this is now the biggest lead. Taing baba ni Felix Apreco yan with that mid-range. Ito pa lang ako dun eh. O
Punta ka
dapat
pa lang.
sasagot dun eh. Ito, maganda yung sagot ni AJ
Oo.
Miranda. Laying it up and in. Lamang. Rob Celis.
Sikip.
Kasin left free for a free. No. Sumoda inside. Easy pickings.
At he challenged it. Nice
Rob Celis
pass.
getting himself free. Nice pass from Crispy Argente. Sumugod. Dire-derecho for that layup.
He's definitely gonna work on his game, and pretty soon we'll see the real Kian Baclaan.
Libre si Chris. Corner pocket free.
There you go.
Hooked it. Celis. Umikot.
Oh
Layup
my.
is good.
Move, open floor, puts the ball on his left, spins going right amidst that defense by Miggy Corteza. 5.3 blocks per game.
Baclaan.
Oh my goodness.
Zooming in for the layup.
Forget it. If you're gonna allow him, that's
Finding themselves in a funk right now. Baclaan separating himself.
Oh
What a
my
pass to Jammer Amito, who floats it up and in.
if he's not scoring, he's creating, he's dishing. Good answer by MJ.
Line pick.
Galing.
Kalahat sa tres. Wala. Amito sa loob. 2 points. Back to back for Jammer.
Oh yes.
With Rob Celis.
Oh wow.
Bitoon comes away with a steal. Pasa kay Jello Razon. Winasiwas pa. Scores 2 more as Caloocan. Felix Apreco with a jumper cuts the lead down to 12.
Oh!
Baclaan! That one have brought the roof down here at the Caloocan Sports Complex. Had that gone in for Kian Baclaan. Instead, it gives an opportunity for Felix Apreco to short. Running start for MJ Deliverhead. Nice pass. Argente filling the lane for 2 more.
See how...
Even ang hirap ng mag-keep track.
Oh, totoo.
Apreco sa loob. 6 points here in the 4th period. Bitoon. Step back jumper over MJ Deliverhead, making it look easy.
Once he got to that space, use that footwork to create separation. But Shondo also knocking down shots.
Brilliant. Nice hands. Miranda stealing it away. Ajem in transition. Apreco, pasa palabas.
This is big.
Argente! No! Good line, just off the mark. Good attempt though from Sean Argente. Bitoon. What a move! Putting in perhaps the finishing touches to the strong second half showing by Caloocan.
Guard display quarter of that triple threat guard combination of Coach Mike Sagigit. This time, you're seeing Chris Bitoon. Earlier, you saw Jello, Kian, and now it's Chris's turn.
Hirap nun. Chris Bitoon though, just eluding multiple fun moving forward for Caloocan as they secure this win.
Yeah.
They had to earn it against a
Alright.
pretty Muntinlupa squad.
Oh, tsaka, well, hats off to Muntinlupa Cagers for giving a good challenge all game long to the high-powered Caloocan team. But this is why you have
You don't like that! You don't like NBA basketball!